Long-distance relationships, making love work across miles. Long-distance relationships have become increasingly common in today's interconnected world. Whether due to work, education, or personal circumstances, many couples find themselves separated by miles and time zones. While maintaining a strong and fulfilling relationship in a long-distance setup can be challenging, it is by no means impossible. This video explores the dynamics of long-distance relationships, offering guidance, tips, and strategies for making love thrive despite the physical distance. Understanding the challenges of long-distance relationships. Long-distance relationships come with a unique set of challenges. We will discuss common obstacles faced by couples in long-distance setups, such as limited physical intimacy, communication barriers, and feelings of loneliness and longing. Understanding and acknowledging these challenges is the first step towards finding effective solutions and fostering a successful long-distance relationship. Establishing trust and communication. Trust and communication are the pillars of any successful relationship, and they become even more critical in long-distance arrangements. We will delve into the importance of open and honest communication, setting clear expectations, and maintaining trust in a long-distance relationship. Additionally, we will explore various communication tools and techniques that can help bridge the gap and keep the connection strong. Setting goals and creating a shared vision. Having shared goals and a vision for the future is vital for a long-distance relationship to thrive. We will discuss the importance of setting goals together, both individually and as a couple, and creating a shared vision that encompasses the desired outcome of the long-distance phase. Establishing a sense of purpose and direction helps couples stay connected and focused on building a future together.
Nurturing emotional intimacy. Physical proximity is not the sole indicator of intimacy in a relationship. We will explore strategies for nurturing emotional intimacy in a long-distance setup, such as engaging in deep conversations, sharing vulnerable moments, and expressing love and affection through words and actions. Building emotional intimacy strengthens the bond between partners and helps maintain a sense of closeness despite the physical distance. Utilizing technology to bridge the gap. Technology has revolutionized the way we connect with others, and it plays a vital role in long-distance relationships. We will discuss various technological tools and platforms that can be used to bridge the physical gap, including video calls, instant messaging, and virtual date nights. Leveraging technology effectively can create meaningful interactions and enhance the sense of togetherness in a long-distance relationship. Managing visits and creating memorable moments. Physical visits are a cherished aspect of long-distance relationships. We will explore strategies for managing visits, including planning ahead, making the most of limited time together, and creating memorable moments that strengthen the bond. Additionally, we will discuss the importance of balancing quality time together with individual space and independence. Developing trust and managing jealousy. Trust is paramount in any relationship, and long-distance setups require an extra level of trust. We will address common issues of jealousy and insecurity that may arise in a long-distance relationship and provide guidance on how to manage these emotions effectively. Building trust, fostering open communication, and addressing insecurities are essential for a healthy and thriving long-distance relationship.
Pursuing individual growth and independence. Maintaining a sense of individuality and personal growth is crucial in a long-distance relationship. We will discuss the importance of pursuing individual goals, hobbies, and interests, and how fostering personal growth contributes to the overall well-being of the relationship. Encouraging each other's independence and supporting individual endeavors creates a strong foundation for a sustainable long-distance relationship. Developing a routine and staying connected. Creating a routine that incorporates regular communication and shared activities is vital for a long-distance relationship. We will discuss the benefits of having a structured routine and scheduling dedicated time for each other.
Importance of a structured routine. Having a structured routine is crucial in a long-distance relationship as it provides a sense of stability and consistency. We will discuss the benefits of establishing a routine that includes dedicated time for communication and connection. This routine helps both partners feel secure, knowing when they can expect to interact with each other, and creates a strong foundation for the relationship. Scheduling dedicated time for each other. In a long-distance relationship, it is essential to prioritize quality time together. We will explore strategies for scheduling dedicated time for each other, such as setting aside specific days or hours for video calls or virtual dates. This intentional scheduling demonstrates commitment and allows for meaningful conversations and shared experiences. Communication tools and techniques. Effective communication is the lifeline of any relationship, especially in a long-distance setup. We will discuss various communication tools and techniques that can enhance connection and intimacy despite the physical distance. From video calls to instant messaging platforms, we will explore different ways to stay in touch and maintain open lines of communication. Engaging in shared activities. Finding ways to engage in shared activities is vital in a long-distance relationship. We will provide ideas and suggestions for activities that couples can enjoy together despite being physically apart. This could include watching movies simultaneously, playing online games, or cooking the same recipe while video calling. Participating in shared activities fosters a sense of togetherness and creates shared memories. Utilizing technology for connection. Technology offers numerous tools and platforms to facilitate connection in long-distance relationships. We will discuss the use of video calls, voice messages, and texting to stay connected throughout the day. Additionally, we will explore the benefits of utilizing apps and platforms specifically designed for long-distance couples, such as shared calendar apps or virtual date night apps. Expressing affection and love. Physical distance does not diminish the need for affection and love in a relationship. We will explore creative ways to express affection across the miles, such as sending handwritten letters, surprise care packages, or virtual hugs. Finding meaningful and heartfelt ways to show love and appreciation strengthens the emotional connection between partners. Dealing with time zone differences. Time zone differences can be a challenge in long-distance relationships. We will discuss strategies for managing time zone variations, such as finding overlapping windows of time for communication, being flexible with schedules, and understanding the limitations imposed by geographical distance. Effective time management ensures both partners feel valued and prioritized. Trust and transparency. Trust and transparency are fundamental pillars of a successful long-distance relationship. We will explore the importance of being open and honest with each other, sharing feelings and concerns, and addressing any issues that may arise. Building trust requires consistent communication, reassurance, and accountability, even when physically apart. Nurturing emotional intimacy. Emotional intimacy is vital in a long-distance relationship. We will discuss strategies for nurturing emotional intimacy, such as sharing daily experiences, discussing hopes and dreams, and supporting each other's emotional well-being. Developing a deep emotional connection strengthens the bond between partners and helps navigate the challenges of physical separation. Planning future visits and goals. Having a shared vision for the future is crucial in a long-distance relationship. We will discuss the importance of planning future visits and setting goals together. This planning instills a sense of hope and anticipation, allowing both partners to look forward to the time when they can be physically together again. Discussing long-term plans and aspirations reinforces commitment and strengthens the relationship. Conclusion. Maintaining a long-distance relationship requires effort, dedication, and effective communication. By establishing a structured routine, scheduling dedicated time for each other, and engaging in shared activities, couples can stay connected and foster intimacy despite the physical distance.